It's an ordinary, carefree summer day. You feel a little tired, and it is quite silent here. You have been to this secluded suburb place before, but today you have wandered a little further than usual. Suddenly, your eye catches something unusual. In the middle of the desert wilderness, a tunnel, seemingly appearing from nowhere. The darkness of its walls weirdly attracts your gaze and your senses. Strange that it is here, isn't it? This thought aggressively takes hold of your mind, tired from the summer day. Just a moment later, your feet are already moving inside. How strange, but you want to walk through this weird tunnel. How unusual. It didn't seem that long. You have been walking through it for quite a while now, but the distant end is still just as far away. You keep walking and walking. What is this place? Why is it here? Does it seem unreal? Are you even real yourself? Look. Yes, you weren't imagining things. The end of the tunnel is moving away. You ran back, but it is futile. The distance seems to trick you, mocking you. Exhausted, you lie on the stone, dusty floor. It's dark, and what do you do now? Terror has consumed you. All of your consequences is currently baffled and afraid of something that should not be, of something you cannot understand. Cannot because it contradicts the very process of comprehension and logic. But even now, even in this catatonic state, deep down you know what you must do. Walk further and further. Perhaps one day you will escape, or perhaps dissolve forever and abandon into this unreal dark space. Sometimes in the universe you can stumble upon things you will never be ready